Want this? Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to edit watermark tutorial on CapCut. Let's begin. Tap new project and select green background. Tap text. Write your name. Tap font and select your favorite font. Click style and select shadow. Take a screenshot from it. Tap new project and select your clip. Tap overlay. Select screenshot image. Crop image. Click image and select remove BG. Tap chroma key. Intensity 100. Tap blend and select overlay. Your video is ready. Export video. Thanks for watching.